Have you ever pondered the art of calisthenics? Ever marveled at the strength and control of those who master this form of exercise? Well, wonder no more, as today we delve deep into the world of calisthenics and provide a step-by-step guide on how to start your journey. Calisthenics, a type of strength training composed primarily of movements involving large muscle groups, offers the opportunity to build strength, flexibility, and balance using nothing but your own body weight. It's a form of exercise that not only challenges you physically, but also mentally, requiring focus, discipline, and perseverance. The first step in beginning your calisthenics journey is to understand your body. It's essential to know your strengths and weaknesses. Are your arms stronger than your legs? Do you have a good balance? These are some of the questions you need to answer. By understanding your body, you can tailor your calisthenics routine to your needs and capabilities. The second step is to master the basics. Like any form of exercise, calisthenics requires a strong foundation. Start with simple exercises like push-ups, pull-ups, and squats. These exercises target multiple muscle groups and help to build overall strength. The third step is to gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. This can be achieved by adding more repetitions, performing exercises more slowly, or incorporating more complex movements. Remember, the goal is not to rush through the exercises, but to perform them with control and precision. The fourth step is to listen to your body. Rest is just as important as exercise in any fitness regimen. Ensure that you are giving your body ample time to recover between workouts. This not only prevents injury, but also allows your muscles to grow and strengthen. The fifth and final step is to stay consistent. Calisthenics is not a quick fix, but a lifestyle. It requires dedication and discipline. However, with consistency, the results can be remarkable. To summarize, starting with calisthenics involves understanding your body, mastering the basics, gradually increasing workout intensity, listening to your body, and staying consistent. It's a journey that requires patience and perseverance, but the rewards are well worth the effort. So go on, embrace calisthenics, explore the strength and flexibility within you, challenge your body and mind, and discover a new way to stay fit and healthy. Remember, it's not about being better than anyone else, it's about being better than you used to be. So, get started with calisthenics today and take the first step towards a stronger, healthier you.